And bibigay ko sa inyo yung pinaka-greatest superpower sa problema ng age of abundance. Alam yung mga Gen Z, tuwa sobrang daming opportunity, pero ba't sila nade-depress? Simple. They want all these opportunities. Ang ganda na ang dami mong pinto. But gusto mo bang nasa corridor ka lang? No one wants to be stuck in the corridor. You have to pick one and go all the way through. That's the secret. That's the secret. And ngayon, the world is always grabbing your attention, getting your attention. Dito ka tumingin. If you adapt and learn the capability to noise out everything and just, zero in on one thing. Parang yun nga, yung iba, umaabot ng 30 minutes, kakascroll sa Netflix. Kasi, hindi pa na lang ako pinagpipilian ko. So, ayun, tulog na ako. Sino yan? Si Sertas! Diba? Parang grabe, no? Na-follow mo pa yung mga movie. Baby, dalawa na lang to. Tulog na yung katabi mo. Right? Bakit? Just pick a movie. Sabihin nyo sa dulo, bakit mo yung pangit mo nga? Mas maganda sa rin. Grabe ka doon dati movie ko, pangit. Kasi nanood ka ng movie. Kasi, nandun lang mo yung sa corridor. Wala, daming movie. May mga bagong release. Ay, diba? Oh my God. Diba? Yun po yun. Because, are you guys learning about ang ano ng mga example ko, pero you know I'm getting the point, no? Those things are just maybe some of the things that you have to keep in mind and follow by heart. So, did you guys learn today? Yes, ayan. So everyone, take a deep breath, inhale.